You think you've had good okra soup? Well, let me shake that confidence a little. This one draws, taste, and hits different. Watch closely, especially for the twist at the end. Alright then, let's cook. So my name is Favor and we'll be cooking okra soup today. Welcome back to my channel. Let's cook. In palm oil, seasoning cube, crayfish, stockfish, periwinkle, okra, salt, pepper, that's scotch bonnet, abi? Scotch bonnet. So let's cook. Adding the washed meat, onions, pepper. So we have added in our washed proteins, salt, onions, pepper, and stockfish. Now we'll leave this to steam. While that is steaming, let's cut our okra. I'll be blending this. Let's blend. So, oof, do you see that? That shit is hot. Cook it tender. Other sauce. Now add the beef seasoning. Now let that cook. Now let this cook till tender. So let's check on the meat. Oof. Adding crayfish. Oh. So we're adding in the blended okra. And mix this in. almost done cooking. Now you just taste test and make adjustments if needed. Alright. Uzuza leaf. Where is it? Ugu leaf. Add now. Mix that in. And voila, we are done. Is watching, that's a sign to share and subscribe because I drop new recipes every single week. But also drop a comment below if you'll be making this and tag a friend who needs to taste it.